All right, well, this is an auction that I debated going to, and then I looked at the photos again and I thought, debate's over. I'm going. And hopefully you are too. They've got some of these tractors, red tractors, listed as restored. I got to get there and look at them and see what restored means. There's one I'm going to bid on. I know that I said I wasn't going to buy this tractor this year, but if it's fully restored, I'm at least going to be the back bidder on it. Let's go check it out, man. Auction preview, Fredericksburg, Pennsylvania. All right, first things first, we got a Super M here. Looks like stage 1. Got front wheel weights, flat tire. I'm just gonna make this brief. Somebody made, looks like some homemade flat top fenders for it. Yeah, looks like a serious restoration project. Yeah, got the roller and stuff. I mean, yeah, was it pulled out of the fence row? I don't know. There goes a chopper. But, yep. And we're going to come over to here because this was the talk of, I don't know, last year and the year before. Super MTA. And, you know, it looks, you know, I've seen better, I've seen worse. Brand new skins on there for sure. 13,638. And boy, these were the fat. You know, could this go for $5,000? Sure, it absolutely could. Torque amplifier, of course, TA. We'll just walk and gawk. We got a toolbox on there, and I'm sure they'll fire these up. Oh, check this out! Got the fast hitch. Yeah, got all kinds of valvery going on there. And it looks like it's got the old friction throttle up top. Yep. Could say new skins. Okay, there you go. The old fast hitch of Rooney. And this should go about 50 horse, 48, 45, 50. And you could probably pull a 3 bottom with it. You know, got TA there and stuff. Not one of the prettier ones I've seen, but I typically, if I buy pretty, it's by accident, you know. And but this is a Super MTA, no doubt. Now you want to talk about a pretty tractor. Here we go with the F30. And again, I talked about the F-Series, you know, why they're not as popular as, you know, the letter series and stuff. Again, I think most of the guys that were into these or were around when these were the big machines on the farm are no longer with us. And I think that just has a lot to do with it. Most of the guys that are around now and alive now were using these, you know, tractors built in the 40s and 50s, not 30s. But this is nice. This is definitely nice. Big old carb on there, man. Yep. Big fuel bowl. Everything looks clean on this. And I'm going to say that this is probably a restoration. 12.4 36s. Got the 36s on there. These are brand new. And the paint's immaculate on it. The old slider on there, pulling from the back. And yeah. There you go, check that out. Yeah, pretty cool. There you go, the old 4-banger. Okay, got a Super A here, and this looks like another restoration. Brand new skins, nice paint, front weights, rear weights. If you buy this, you probably have a lot of dates. Yeah, it looks good. And the first thing I do when I ever see a Super A is go right to the back, because I'm kind of looking for a Super A maybe with a fast hitch, you know. And this got something going on here. Not sure what did he do, folks. What's going on there? I don't know. I'd rather just have a fast hitch assembly on there and go for this is nice. This is really, really nice. And by the way, it's scorchy down here. I'm down in Fort Indian Town Gap, Pennsylvania. A lot of people, you know, if you call it Anvil, whatever, but it's hot down here. And I remember being stationed down here and it was always hot. And probably not like here, but when we'd go out to the range, the ticks were horrible. Wow, this is a really nice looking H, man. Brand new skins, brand new skins. Beautiful paint job. New muffler. This has got to be another restoration. I knew there was going to be a couple here. I didn't know how many. I can't read that. Honestly, I don't really care. I mean, to me, it's like the only difference you're going to get out of a later Model H anyways is maybe a little bit more PSI at the belly pump. But yeah, these are nice here. These should be 12.4s. They're Firestone. Where are we at? Yeah, 12.438s. Got the correct skins on there. Ooh, the hillside hitch right there. Oh, this is really cool. It's really cool. I'm sure everything works. It's got the deep notch throttle right here. Yep, just like mine. Thank you again, Broken Wrench, for that suggestion, recommendation. This is a nice one. This is nice, got the magneto on there. No problem, no problemo to me. Yeah, this would be a nice H. Okay, the only thing that it could have, maybe, like mine has, is a rear remote. You could always add that later. Okay. Super MD, and this has been restored. You got the power steering up top, new skins, beautiful paint job. I mean, it got the Baylin right there. This would be cool. This would be cool to have. I know somebody that has one, and he restored it, and you know, he said in hindsight, for his own personal hindsight, he probably would not do it again. But it is this is a cool machine. Bottom line, just a really cool machine. And good grief, paint's just glistening in the sun. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Wow. And again, no rear remote. But this ain't no joke. I mean, sheesh. Okay, wait a minute. Goodyear 13638. Okay, yeah, they're matching. I was gonna say, you went through all that work, didn't get the tires to match, but yeah, they're matching. Really, really cool tractor. Nice piece. Yep, old IH muffler up top. This can be a fun auction. The machinery starts at 11, so that'll give me time to get here, probably get a breakfast sandwich. It's a nice setup here. It's actually a farm, and you know, I'm sure they'll have probably food inside there, and you know, they'll have these running, and hopefully they're set up nice, because if any of these start coasting backwards, they ain't stop until they hit that ditch about 200 yards away. But yeah, this is one for the ages there. International 340 diesel, and I haven't seen a 340 diesel of any type since the Andy Warren auction 2 years ago that Kevin Wheeler put on. But this is one here, and it's got the side remote there. You put a loader on it. Seat looks good. Tractor looks good, is what I'm trying to tell you. Looks like 13.628. Yep, we're eating right there, so they were definitely loaded. Got the fast hitch, one remote in the rear with a gear. This is a nice tractor. This is a nice tractor. I don't know how many of these they made. I will tell you the Farmall version, row crop version, it was like 157 or 158. never really look into the international or the utility version of most things, just because I'm a row crop kind of guy. But yeah, this is a cool tractor. This is the one that I said I was not going to buy this year. And I said nothing under, you know, 80 horse diesel. But this has been reportedly restored. You know, I'm looking at the paint. Paint looks, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It does look good. And the test to these always is, will it start with just a globe plug, like that Hydro 656 that we saw at the Kerr auction? That thing was snappy, and you don't get that a lot. And these brand new skins on there, Firestone 16938. That's fine for a 560. Let's keep walking and talking and gawking. Actually, if I can read this, I want to read that. I am going to take the time to put my glasses on, so hang on. Okay, that says 52093S-Y. So there's no, I see a C punch there. There's no like asterisk punch. So I'm guessing this is probably a 60 or a 61 or a late 59. So the update would have been done at the factory, the final drive. Yeah. When you see a perfect restoration, you just know it, and that would be a 10. I'm giving this so far about an 8.5. You know, because you're not gonna, you know, you're not gonna paint inside your, you know, there's paint up in here. You know, it's overlap. It's overlap. So I guess seeing it is okay. We got a fast hitch there. Oh, check that out. Got the old slider, and I bought one for my Super C, which, you know, I still haven't put it on here yet, but I tell you one thing, I own it. I got it. Okay, and this, okay, we got a female, then we got one capped off. Okay, I mean, yeah, is that restoration quality? That answer's no. But I mean, is that restoration quality? That answer's no. You know, I mean, it's okay. I mean, I don't expect a perfect tractor, but just don't call it fully restored. That's all. Nice seat, nice fenders, decent, again, decent paint job, beautiful skins. I'd run, if I own this, I'd put my Fast Hitch 311 plow on this. End of story. Yep. What do we got here? Is she leaving her mark, is she? Yeah, hard telling, you know. I mean, you pull the bowl off there and you clean it out, you know, you get drippage and stuff. That's no big deal to me. Again, I think these bowls, I don't know if you can get these big, huge bowls anymore. These are the ones you eat a bowl of cereal out of, and 3 days later, you're still not hungry. So, okay, what do we got? We're brake locked. That's smart. Okay. Boy, I'd have these chalked. The video's probably not doing any justice, but that's, I mean, I'd have these chalked. I'm paranoid. Front and back chalked. But I guess these people down here, they're used to it. Yeah, it's a nice machine. It is definitely a nice machine. Got one weight. I thought in the picture it had 2 or 3, you know. I mean, it certainly is what it is. All right, what would an auction be without giving you greenies something to chew on? 4430, I think we've seen a couple of these over the years sell. And, you know, decent skins. Got an honest little slice in the side. Titans in the front, for sure. Armstrong in the rear with the gear. 20.838s, big beefy suckers. And, yeah, looks cat tooey to me. And I'll let you guys finish. Tooey to me. Looks like an original top link to a remote. I'm showing you what I'm seeing, and you're seeing what I'm seeing. So, yeah, 4430. And let me walk around here real quick, because I'm just going to give you a quick panoramic view of the rest of the green that's here. We got a 2840, 8200, 7220, and I have no clue what this is. 7740 loader. Okay, 7410, a big fat hen. And these tires here, they look like, I don't know what they put on there. Old McGuire's Tire Shine special. But yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow. Check that out. We even got a combine over there. Looks like an S550. And go right through here. And this will all start up 11 o'clock. There you go. All right, and Joel Heisey and Les Longnecker, L&H Auctions. And these are your smalls. They're probably going to start these. I don't even know when the auction starts, to be honest with you, but I'll be here around 10. I know that. All right, so there you go. It's a serious red power. Tell me what you think the 560, the Super MTA, and the MD will go for. Those are always interesting. Sale to sale, it's not the same. I'm all in on that 560 at least 6. It's not fully restored. It looks like a nice machine. We're going to see them start it up, fire it up. Maybe they'll have it fired up when I get there. All the tractors running and stuff like that. Again, I'd be a little nervous with that hill behind them. I'd have them heavily chalked, wheel chalked, but ain't my auction, ain't my show, ain't my worry. The MD, I have no clue, man. I really don't. That stupid thing could go 15 grand. In the Super MTA, I could see that one going 5, 6, maybe 7. You know, it just depends on who shows. I was talking to somebody that, you know, is a little more familiar with the area as far as auctions and equipment and buying. And he said the Lancaster boys will probably come up and do a little running up. So I'll see you in the morning. Another banger coming up, man.